Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if the Poco M6 Pro 4G is original or fake. Now to do that I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are all the codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your smartphone is original. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. From here, just dial *#*# 64663 #*#*. Now from here, you can test the hardware of your smartphone. For example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. And also you can test the other hardware on your smartphone. Now if you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI codes of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI codes on the screen to the IMEI codes which is given on your smartphone's box and make sure they're both the same. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Me Global. Now just open this website on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Customer Support. Now from here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Now just scroll down and select your country. Now from here, as you can see, there are many ways to contact with Xiaomi's customer service. You can contact with Xiaomi's customer service through the chat service, or you can contact with Xiaomi's customer service through the email support or through their phone number. Just select the chat service. If the chat service is not available in your country, just select the email support or the phone number. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on live chat. Now from here, just tap on yes. Now over here, just enter your Gmail address. Now once you enter your Gmail address, just tap on submit. Now from here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied. Dear customer, welcome to Xiaomi's customer service. Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number on the screen and tap on the three dots over here. Now just select copy. Now just go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, dear customer, just wait for a few moments for them to check our smartphone's details. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, we are currently using the Poco C75 to record this video. Now from here, you can check the warranty start date of your smartphone. And also from here, you can check the warranty end date of your smartphone. Now from here, you can also check the activation date of your smartphone. And this is how you can check if the Poco M6 Pro 4G is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.